this is a finished, I call this the classic rounding hammer, which is the hammer that I'm forging right now. And to get these cheeks, to get the height on the cheeks on this hammer, I kind of go about it in a different way. Rather than, I know a lot of people start out with square stock or round stock, and they really stretch out the cheeks to get the height that they need. And I thought, for me, an easier way to do this was to build in the height. So instead of having a square stock, I try to build in the height of the cheeks first. That way I don't have to stretch it out as much. And on this particular rounding hammer, I only use one size of fullers. I think these are 9/16 or 5/8 round. Mild steel. You can see there's a little curve in them right now, and if you want to straighten that out, because they'll do that in this thickness, they'll curve a little bit, especially with the harder tool steels like the S7. Put it over the hardy hole. And that'll straighten them out. You might have to do that once every few days. Another thing you want to do is, so your spring fullers will be even. That's why this is a little short for me, but a little longer would be better. And so you can see those are angled a little bit. But if you want them to be really parallel while you lay in those fullering lines, you just lay it over here and knock that down a little bit. And now they're a lot more parallel. Kind of go light blows at first to make sure you're not pinching the eye down. You want to stay about 1/8 of an inch off of the outside of that eye there. And make sure that your fullering is the same on both sides, which it is. And then after you have sort of confirmed that you're even on both sides, you can go a little bit harder with the power hammer to lay in the marks. Now then, sometimes I'll flatten out that little bulge first. Light ones on the first one to make sure that you're where you want to be before you really drive it in there. Here's another little trick you could do. If that fullering line is deeper in one side than it is on the other, like on this one, this is a little bit deeper, and you want to even that out, you can always grab the hammer from this end and reverse it, and that'll make it even for you.